When I turn this page, I want you to read the story silently. After you have read the story, I want you to say, "Done." Go.
Done.
Now I will ask you some questions about the story you read. Where was Jeremy?
In the woods.
What happened first?
He had heard a strange noise.
What did Jeremy think made the noise?
A bear.
A noise is something you can
Here.
A good title for this story would be A Noise in the Woods, Jeremy Finds a Bear, Squirrels Can Jump from Tree to Tree.
A noise in the woods.
Okay. When I turn this page, I want you to read the story silently. After you have read the story, I want you to say, "Done." Go.
Done.
Now I will ask you some questions about the story you have read. Colin was fishing in a river, lake, or mud hole.
Lake.
What happened first? An old boot appeared out of the water. Colin waited about 2 minutes. Colin's book disappeared into the water.
Colin waited 2 minutes.
Colin knew there was something heavy on his line because he felt lucky, his line was hard to pull, he was very good at catching fish.
Because he thought there was something on his line.
In this story, the word cast means to feel lucky and go fishing, to pull or fill, to throw or flip.
To pull or lift.
A good title for this story would be Fishing in the Lake, My Lucky Day, The Fishing Boat.
My lucky day.
Okay, now I want you to do as many of the math problems as you can. Be sure to work carefully and do as the signs tell you. Work as quickly as possible, but try not to make mistakes. When I say stop, you must put down your pencil and look up at me. Let's practice this. Pick up your pencil and look at me and look down at your desk. Okay, stop. Good. You looked up at me. Okay, when I say go, start working. Ready, go. Stop. Put down your pencil. Look up at me. Good. I'm going to mark where you stopped. Okay, now you may keep working on these problems until you can't do any more.
Okay. It's done.
I'm going to read some math problems to you. You can read along on your paper. You can use scratch paper if you need it. When you have an answer, write it in the space next to the problem. When I tell you to begin, read each of the word problems. If you have some trouble reading the words, I will help you read them. Do as many problems as you can. Write your answers in the blanks. Begin working the problems. Keep working until you are finished or I tell you to stop. Done? Okay, you may continue. That's good. You can stop there.